it, Allie. Boys, in the house. I'm doing it. Wait. He's leaving. Hey, he's coming back.
Is he home?
Nope, I'm calling. James, she doesn't want to talk to you.
Get off my porch. James, no. Get off my porch. Give me a gun. Hey, what? Okay, wait. He's fine. He don't have nothing. He don't have no gun. He don't have no gun. Don't do anything. He's
trying to break in and get to our daughter.
okay. Well, he's not moving. He don't have a gun.
He broke our door in. Trying to get to our daughter. Our daughter's busted in.
Okay, hold on. Did you shoot him?
Yes.
Okay. Call 911.
We're on the phone with him right now.
Okay, he's not moving. He ain't going nowhere. I don't know. I heard 5 shots. Like, what the?
No, 3 shots. He broke into our door coming in after our daughter. But my husband shot. He come barreling in right behind me and my daughter in the car.
Oh, jeez.
Yeah, so we got in here and he wouldn't leave. We kept telling him to leave.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
You're.
Oh my God!
He's
I'm so sorry.
I'm so sorry. Obviously, this was a that between you. Was he dating her?
They dated a long time ago. It was a long time ago.
I think.
And he
Yeah.
left her voicemail and left a message last night. Oh my God.
Okay, just calm down. Calm down. He's dead.
He's got the gun.
Huh?
He's got the gun. He has the gun. The people inside here shot this guy here was trying to break into her house. The guy's dead. He died.
Okay, but where's the guy with the gun?
The guy's dead right here.
Where's the guy with the gun?
Inside the house. He's the homeowner. This
Okay.
guy tried to break in the house,
Okay.
and the guy was just basically protect himself.
We're right here.
Okay, you guys have your gun down?
Yeah, we're right here.
This guy just died.
Yeah, we're here.
I'll